Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking this AMG GT to the next level with the full Eventuri intake and engine cover. Not only does it improve your performance, but it makes a big statement when you open the hood. So before we get started, let's take it to the next room. Let's unbox everything and see what it includes. With everything laid out, we have the filter housings here, beautiful carbon fiber and really nice metal flange inside. We have the Eventuri filters. Moving forward, we have the carbon air ducts. Supporting both the duct and the filter housing are the metal brackets with a nice rubber strip to protect the carbon fiber. Bringing it all together, we have the carbon fiber engine cover with the red V in the middle. You actually transfer your OEM plat onto the carbon engine cover. So let's get this installed and see how it sounds. If there's any other intakes or products or other cars that you want to see this stuff on, let us know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, like. Thanks for watching.